inside.
Hi, this is Harry from Cyrusher Bikes. Today I'm going to show you how to use the voltmeter to test the front built-in battery. This battery actually is for 690 and 660. So I'm already taking out this battery from the bike frame. So I put it here, and here is the key. And the tools we use is just voltmeters here, and one cable from the charger. I just cut off this the charger head from the charger because I use it to for test the input voltage. Okay, the first one you want to test the here we have input hole here because the voltmeter pins here is so close that if we test this battery input hole here directly with the voltage, you will easily get a short. So maybe the battery will get a burn or something is about happening. So what I'm doing here is I just cut out the cable from the charger head here, just put it here, put it inside here, and then you will see here one is from this one, maybe is from, I'm not sure which one is for negative, one is for positive. It doesn't matter. Okay, just we test that. Okay. And then we may turn on the voltmeters to direct the current, and then go to 200 volt. Here, you need to go 200 volt here, and then we test. Use the red pin and the black pin. Red pin for positive and red pin for negative. You see how much we get. You can see is negative, so which means that we're in the wrong direction. We should switch that. Now you can see the positive. It goes to like a 47.5 voltage, almost like a 48. Okay, this is the way we test for the input, the voltage for the battery. And now I'm going to show you how to test the output voltage here. Here you can see this is a 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 pins here for the output. And here you can see marked here the top upper is for positive and lower is for negative. Okay, so I need an assistant to help me to hold this battery. Okay, I even can put it here and move the voltmeter here. And then we go to use the red pin for the first pin, and black for the last pin. You can see here we got like 47.5 is the same as the input, and then I move to the second one for the positive is the same, and I move to this one, it's also the same. So and how about this one? No. Okay, normally just the first two is for positive, the last two for negative. So you can get that. You can get the correct voltage here. And so if you test the voltage for output and input with the same voltage, which means that the battery is fine, no problem. If something below or different voltages for the output and input, so it's saying that something happens inside of the battery. Maybe the input the part or output part is not working properly, or something bad in the battery cells. So this is way how you can use the voltmeter to test the battery correctly. So I hope this video can help you a little bit. Thank you.